Do we have keto members in our midst? I'm sure we do. Today we have something special for you. No flour, no margarine, no sugar. Hello, creative bangers. Let's do this together. I start by adding my homemade peanut butter in a bowl. I only use salt to blend the peanut butter. No other thing was added to it, all right? Now I'll be moving in with 4 eggs. I separated the egg yolk from the white, so I am going in with the egg yolks, all right? That is the egg yolks and the peanut butter in a bowl, and that's the egg white, all right? Go ahead and beat the egg white till foam. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, like I said earlier, I'm going to beat the egg white till foam. That's exactly what is going on here. Okay, now our egg white is ready. I'm going to set it aside. All right, now back to the peanut butter and the egg yellow. I'm going to beat for about 5 or 6 seconds. All right, once that is done, I'm going to move in with half of the beaten egg white. All right, once that is done, I'm going to mix till everything is well combined. All right, do not over mix. Okay, once it comes together, stop mixing, then move in with the remaining egg white. Okay, now I'm also going to mix till everything is well combined. Please do not over mix, gently do this. Now if you don't have electric mixer, you can manually do this. All right, all you have to do is to add the eggs and the peanut butter together, then go ahead and mix for about 30 seconds. All right, before moving in with the rest of the ingredients. Now I added baking powder, cinnamon powder, and a pinch of salt. Remember, I said that my peanut butter contains salt. Okay, so I added a little bit of salt just to balance the taste. Okay, go ahead and mix till everything is well combined. It is time to transfer in our baking pan, but we are not going to be using baking pan. We'll be making use of stainless steel. All right, if you don't have a stainless steel, please go with your normal baking pan. Okay, now I brush that with a little bit of oil, then go ahead and add the butter. All right, once that is done, go ahead and bake with an oven, but we'll not be using oven to bake. We are going to bake with a pot. In a dry clean pot, add some salt. Make sure that the salt covers the bottom of your pot. All right, now you are going to place another steel to elevate your baking pan. Please, no plastic. If you are with me at this moment, type no plastic at the comment section. Okay, once that is done, you are going to cover the pot and preheat for about 2 to 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, it is time to bake. Gently do this. All right, remember that the pot is very hot. Okay, now you are going to cover the pot. If your lid has an opening like mine, you need to cover it because you need all the heat to bake. Start baking. I baked for 30 minutes and there you have it. Look at that. It turned out so well. Now dip a skewer into the cake, or should I call it bread? I don't know. Once it come out clean, it is ready. Gently take it out of the heat. Now I have done this with a stainless steel, like I did this with a cake and it came out clean, but with this it didn't come out so easily like that. All right, so I will advise you lay a parchment paper on the steel. That is if you are using steel. This is what the steel looks like after baking. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Beautiful shout out to you, Siti, watching from Indonesia. Zara from Anambra State. Augusta from Sierra Leone, Emily watching from Canada, and Eliza all the way from America. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? All right, and that is basically all for this recipe. Very simple and easy. Should we call this a cake or a bread? Let me know at the comment section. And that is the pot and the salt. You can reuse the salt for another baking. Your pot is safe. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.